Chill, what is up, guys? Chill, what is up, guys? Good afternoon. You're now here in Wynyard Station. We are going to Palm Beach, and yeah, we're waiting for the second bus because it's a road bus from my sister's place to here in Wynyard, and I'm gonna ride another bus going to Palm Beach. So it's a 2-hour ride going there. So just chill, relax, hope the sun doesn't set early, so we get a good, amazing view. Let's go. Okay. Now inside the bus, guys. So just wait. Alright, guys, we are now here in Palm Beach. So yeah, got a lot of things to do. First is gonna go find some food and just enjoy, guys. Cheer the boys. Guys, we are almost there. It is so tiring, damn, but you're gonna enjoy this view. Look at that. Just a few more steps and we're near a lighthouse over there. Alright, guys, we're now here at the top of the mountain. As you can see, that is the lighthouse. Hi, mate. Right. Hello. Right over there. So that is the lighthouse. We just reached it. Just witnessed a beautiful sunset. It is so amazing. The wind is so cold. The view is great. Oh my gosh, so good. It is so good. I wish my girlfriend was here. Yo, what is up, guys? We're now here at the bus stop. Yeah, we finished the Palm Beach. It's great. The view is great. So amazing. The moon right there is also good, but you can't see it because my lens is not for the moon. So yeah, but it was good. It's great. It's 6:30 now. We're waiting for the bus, and there's no open restaurants around here because they close at 5 and all. So we just wait here and yeah, enjoy the moment while it lasts. Show the boys.
This is my best experience with my family this Sydney trip. 2018. This is the best Sydney trip I've had with my family now that they're here in Sydney this 2018.
Yes. So what is up, guys? We just arrived here in Wynyard York Street, and it's already 8. It is freezing, and yeah, we're gonna go find some food for dinner because we haven't ate yet. So what is up, guys? We are now here in Macca's. We're having burgers. There's a lot of burgers, guys. And yeah, we're gonna go eat now.